Okay, folks, you know me. I like to make these little videos of the things I'm selling on eBay to demonstrate that they work. We have a lot of vintage, various ages of Sunbeam Mix Maxers, and I'm just going to turn each one of them on to show that it works. Yeah, that one works. Goes right up to top speed, comes right back down, sounds pretty good. This one goes right up to top speed, sounds pretty good, comes right back down. Everything in there is working good, just the way it ought to be. Now we're going to go check out this one here in the middle. And sure enough, it goes right up and comes right back down. This one, the roughest one, it's kind of a sad story there, that last one. But, you know, none of these are perfect. There's something wrong, something missing with every one of them. I got one stainless steel bowl I'm putting in here on this lot because I've got glass bowls that are in other auctions and I don't want to ship them together because of obvious reasons. Look at the stills. This is a great lot for parts, fix and repair, to fill out your collections, whatever. You're just going to love it. I know it.